In this math video, we're going to be learning about decimal multiplication. So if you are really uncomfortable with your times tables and you don't really feel that familiar with them yet, it might be a good idea to do what I've done here and just write out all of the times tables that you know you're going to need. So you just have to focus on the system here. You're not actually working that hard to figure out your times tables. You have them all there ready. Okay, so let's get to the process now. So with decimal multiplication, it may look a bit scary, but it's actually very easy because what you do is you multiply these two numbers as if the decimal wasn't actually there. So I'm going to show you what I mean here. So I'm just going to rewrite this one as 382 multiplied by 54. Okay, so I'll just quickly go ahead and do that. So 4 times 2, this is where that comes in easy if you're not that comfortable with your times tables yet. 4 times 2 is 8, and then 4 times 8, 32. 4 times 3 is 12, 13, 14, 15. And now remember, this is actually a 50, not a singular 5, so I have to hold the place with my 0. Now I can go 5 times 2, which is 10. 5 times 8, which is 5 times 2, which is 10. And then 5 times 8, which is 40, plus the 1. And then 5 times 3 is 15, plus the 4 is 19. You can see even here it looks a little bit confusing the way that I've written it, because I am trying to write sideways. So this is where if you have a grid book, it would be really helpful to make sure that you're writing each digit in each individual square, and that way you know completely which place value you're adding together, because that 5 and 9 almost looks, well, they're very close to each other. The 5 almost looks like it's on top of the 9. Okay, so I'll just now plus them together to get my answer. So 8 and nothing is 8, 2, 6, 10, and 2. Okay, so now we've got this number here, and it looks like it is it looks like it's 20,628, but I haven't added my decimals in yet. So the way that I add my decimals in is I just count how many digits are to the right of each decimal. So there is 1 digit to the right of this decimal here, and then there's another decimal to the right of this, another digit, sorry, to the right of this decimal here. So because I've got 2 digits in total to the right of each decimal number, I add my decimal in 1, 2 digits back this way. So my answer is actually 206 and 28/100ths. Remember to show all of your working out, and good luck with the upcoming sums.